there's the explosion,
Yeah.
and then the sound is delayed.
Like in soccer when they
Where are
it sounds like
That
Yeah.
light's blocking.
Like it's like the explosion should happen right there,
yeah.
and it explodes, but it
It
doesn't.
explodes after because it's done what release has in it.
Well, the sound is
Oh.
there. The sound is just
Sound takes a while.
yeah.
I know. To be like, that's why the sound takes a while. It's not done like letting go with all the. This is so long.
Ooh, I like that one. That was like UCLA colors,
That
49
hurts.
colors.
Does that hurt?
Yeah, gold and blue.
It doesn't hurt. I don't even feel anything.
I like those.
Whoa, there's another one over there.
Really, the other field?
Yeah. There's like little ones though that can't compete.
I told you, remember me smiling with the fireworks in my face.
I've never seen those fireworks before, so
Oh.
we haven't seen it tonight. That's first.
Where's the happy faces? There's whoa. That was creepy.
That was creepy.
There you go, Jackie.
Whoa! Where'd it go? Aw. Are they just the ones that make sound?
It's like the one you can pick up down the next
Beginners.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa!
Yeah, that was a little low there.
Stand, I got the variety pack.
Whoa. Oh. Whoa! Be ready, please, you guys.
I'm like, yes. More excited.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm Zoom! Wow! Whoa! Lordy! Is that wrong? There you got my way. You see fireworks? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Superman?
Like forever.
Oh,
Are you guys still talking about
he's hot. He's hot.
Oh, did you guys see that movie?
Yes.
How was it?
It was so good. It really was. It was good.
Like superhero movie?
Yeah. And it wasn't the guy
Sure.
much. It was just a really good movie. And Kate Bosworth did a really good job.
That's all the old one. No, what one is on today?
What would happen if something went wrong with the fireworks and the whole place
We'd all die.
exploded? That'd be fun. If the whole place exploded.
No. Catwoman?
No, just like that whole one field exploded. Oh, that means my friend would die.
Yes. Yes, she would.
That sucks.
And so would the other two girls.
Darn. I don't know where they are. It doesn't really matter. They could be home for all I know.
That's okay. We weren't doing anything. We watched that stab down.
Can you hear everybody going,
All me barbecue.
whoa. Wow, the guy can actually sing.
This big of ice cream. That big.
Oh, man.
It's those cool umbrella ones, or
Oh.
waterfall ones.
Joe Black. Do you remember that movie?
Never Brad Pitt.
She gave you like half a brick.
Meet
I
Joe
saw
Black.
Troy.
There you go.
I saw Troy.
The end of that movie.
Quarter light.
Whoa.
The major fireworks that are like quarter.
Was that a smiling face?
I don't know.
It was deranged. There was a deranged face.
Whoa! Where?
Watch out.
That was impressive.
A peace sign?
Peace sign.
Whoa!
Man, I like that square.
Oh! Why are they
Why would
showing
it be
an 8 if it's not even the 8th?
What was that?
Cars aren't liking this.
Cars don't like.
I feel bad for the dogs that are here. And their owners.
You could probably consider this like a middle finger. Yeah. We all messed up.
Yeah.
Everyone going,
Whoa! That was like a nebula. Whoa!
Last night at the Wilson Fireworks Show, where the fireworks took the birds to the...
It'd be worse than the Michael Jackson.
I have a feeling this is the finale.
Yeah, it should be a lot quicker. Like they kind of just like
Oh,
boom,
yeah,
boom,
yeah.
boom,
Yeah.
You know?
More at the end.
Yeah.
They feel bad down there playing.
I don't know. I want a happy face one again. That was cool.
Can you stop with the red and green?
Yeah, these aren't even patriotic colors. What the heck?
You're gonna feel like down
Dodger Stadium.
Yeah.
Cars are going crazy.
People are going crazy.
Oh, I can do that. Yeah, I love how
Am I
you
even
know.
getting the fire?
Like you're one of the only people. Yeah, exactly.
Ding ding.